Hey guys, my name's Barbara. Welcome to BandB CraftShop. Today, my twin and I wanted to spice things up for Easter. So, we're going to be making Easter baskets for young women to actually enjoy. Stay tuned.
We are behind the scenes. What are we creating? What are we gonna do? Stay tuned.
These baskets have peeps, an Easter headband, a makeup kit, a perfume, and a customized water bottle. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If there's something you want to see, let us know in the comments below. And please, subscribe before you go, so you can stay tuned for next week's episode on how we made our water bottles using our Cricut.